Are you or loved ones having difficulty falling asleep at night? Waking up during the night? Waking up too early? Not feeling well rested after a night's sleep? Experiencing daytime tiredness or sleepiness? Having difficulty paying attention? Focusing on tasks or remembering? Having increased errors or accidents? Or struggling with sleeplessness all night? An estimated 40 million Americans cope with insomnia each year, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention considers it a serious public health problem. Generally, healthy adults sleep about 7 to 9 hours every day to replenish their energy and spirit consumed. Cerebrocellular tiredness will disappear as a result of thorough sleep. Sleep is an extensive inhibitive course of the cerebral cortex. The main factors are tiredness, ischemia, and anoxia of the cerebral cells. Insomnia may be caused by some stimuli that keep the cerebral cortex stimulated and affect its inhibitive course. Some other psychological factors that cause insomnia are excessive excitement, anxiety, stress, fear, and neurasthenia. Some of the manifestations of insomnia are palpitation, chest distress, dyspnea, nocturia, severe itching, and vomiting. Insomnia is often linked to some analeptic and sudden withdrawal from hypnotic. Insomnia is also called bumei in traditional Chinese medicine. It is caused by weariness due to overthinking, or yin deficiency, an imbalance between the kidney yin and the heart yang, hyperactivity of the liver yang, qi deficiency of the heart and gallbladder, or a disorder of the stomach qi. Sleep is as important to your health as a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Whatever your reason for sleep loss, insomnia can affect you both mentally and physically. People with insomnia report a lower quality of life compared with people who are sleeping well. Complications of insomnia may include lower performance on the job or at school, slowed reaction time while driving, and a higher risk of accidents. Mental health disorders, such as depression, an anxiety disorder or substance abuse, increased risk and severity of long-term diseases or conditions, such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Anti-anxiety and antidepressant medications, or matching antipsychotic, anti-nervous stimulants are mainly used in Western medical treatment. It takes a long time for the treatment to work, and side effects, such as drug dependence, withdrawal symptoms, and rebound phenomenon, may appear. American Herbal Laboratories has successfully developed Vita Sleep, which is made from 100% natural herbs, containing the main ingredients, polygala root and poria. Modern pharmacological studies show that the polygala root has many sound effects on the nervous system. The root bark, whole root, and pith of the root have synergistic effects with barbiturates. Laboratory studies show that polygala root has a synergistic action with subliminal dosage of sodium pentobarbital. The effects of Vita Sleep are not only tranquilization and hypnogenesis, but it can also provide nutrition for the cells of the brain. It can promote and support better sleep against conditions of overfatigue, ischemia, anoxia, and the activity of brain cells. American Herbal Laboratories has successfully developed meridian energy analysis systems. It's a valuable tool to assess your organ energy functions. Dr. Luke also highly recommends these protocols, with the use of new Vita's Nano Herbs lights. It allows patients to achieve the results of acupuncture without the use of needles. It enhances cell growth and rebalances the cell's DNA structure. Nano Herbs Light's main functions include 700 conditions like slowing down the aging process, cosmetic improvement, scalp enhancement, pain management, meridian organ rebalance, immune system rebalance, and energy support for cancer patients. New Vita herbal supplements are made from 100% premium natural herbs, harvested in America and Asia. They are manufactured in our US FDA-registered facility in Los Angeles, California, since 1994. They are prepared according to Dr. Luke's proprietary methods that have been developed over 40 years of clinical research, using both traditional Chinese medicine and nanotechnology. NuVita promotes your health by restoring your body's physiological balance and harmony. It also improves your organ energy, slow down aging process, and zest for life. Within a short period of time, your revitalized state should become apparent, with marked improvement in your appearance, disposition, physical strength, and emotional well-being. NuVita, supporting your health with 100% premium natural herbal supplements.